Hi, welcome all of you on YourPedia education platform, and as you know, on YourPedia we are covering in detail some subject preparations for GATE 2022 such as XE and environment science. You know, these two are actually the subjects of opportunity. When students fill the form, like nowadays GATE 2022 form students are filling, they focus mainly on the main core subjects like mechanical engineering, civil engineering and all. They tend to forget to write paper with these subjects. Now you have opportunity since GATE 2021, IIT Bombay conducted GATE exam last year and gave opportunity to students to write paper with two subjects. So that is one of the option and good option to basically avail. But students, in the month of September and October, when you fill the GATE form, that time students are focusing on their studies mainly, and they are confident they will score really high in GATE papers. As the time passes by, time goes on, so they realize that their syllabus they are missing, many subjects they are missing, and they are not getting confident at all. And in the month of November, December, they start repenting that they have not filled the form with this. Now, why I am asking you to fill the form with this? Because at that time, as of now, even if you are not planning to write with these papers, you are targeting public sector, which you cannot get with these papers. And but at the time when 2 months in GATE are left and you made your assessment and you realize that, oh, you may miss it, you may miss with core branches, syllabus is huge. At that time, with the two subjects like in XE, let's say thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, strength of material, and environment science, one part of civil engineering, with these subjects in hand, you can score really good with the effort of 2 months. But that time you should have filled the GATE form. By the time student realize, oh, I should have written by this, they have not filled the form. I'm telling you that on the basis of my experience with interaction with the students, that when they get tense that, okay, now sir, I don't think I will be in position to complete the syllabus, so but I have not even filled with XE, so what should I do? That situation should not arise. So those of you who are preparing nice, keep preparing nice. So couple of subjects, let's say if I talk about XE, let's say FM and strength of material, or FM and thermodynamics, these two subjects you make very good, which will help you in the interview preparation also. And if you are very good in these subjects, you will get very good score in XE also, which will help you to get admission in prestigious courses of IITs like management courses, even NITI Bombay, Masters of Management IIC Bangalore, DOMS Madras, data science courses and all. So you can ensure a very good seat in a very good course which gives you placement later on, and at the same time risk is minimized. So don't forget to basically fill these two papers for your GATE 2022, and how to prepare it very effectively so that you score high. That strategy we will keep on sharing. Hope I have made my point clear. So fill these two papers and prepare well. Thank you.